Why you bully? What is up, vlog? So we are at the Newman residence and Jake is blowing some fireworks.
You guys could have waited until tonight?
He's seated. What do we got here? Short stack. Apparently it was only $1. So we're at the grocery store here and Kate and I were just going around getting all the ingredients we need for our pasta. So the boys went off on their own, to be expected, and we kind of just like walked past them. They're sitting outside of the store, like on the patio furniture, and they didn't notice us. So maybe I should just leave and they could walk. No, that would be mean. But it's funny, they're just like so clueless right now. They don't even notice. But I guess I'll just roll up and pick them up. Excuse me, I'm lost.
Huh? How did you get there?
We literally went past you. Come on.
When?
Like 2 minutes ago. Get in.
In here?
Yes,
Here?
we just walked right past you guys.
No, you didn't.
Yes. Hello, there are people waiting. Get in the car.
Where? People waiting where?
Earlier.
What do you mean? You did not pass us.
We literally did.
No, you
Oh,
didn't.
Angel, did you see us?
Yes.
You saw us?
Yeah, we saw you guys.
What?
You need to mix it together.
This is how McDonald's looks like.
We're not recording it, are you?
Janice is the worst parker ever I've ever seen.
Dinner is finally ready. I made some homemade pasta. We're gonna have two sets. We're gonna just have spaghetti and meatballs, and then Alfredo, and then my aunt made some Korean what is it called? Korean.
This looks
Korean
good.
Spaghetti. So there's the meatballs and the Korean spaghetti, some cantaloupe, some loup. Here's the pasta I made, and then the two sauces.
Really? Tell me why I didn't get both of them.
Did you drink a bagel?
2 eyes, smiley face.
Hey, that's what I should do.
Dang, Jake, that smells good. Oh my gosh, it's all the way in the corner there. What is up? We are at Topgolf right now. Oh, I see them. That's slippery.
There you go. No witness.
Good practice.
Come on, Jake.
Oh yes.
Come on, Jake.
Here we go. Yes. 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 The thing about Topgolf nachos is every single nacho is a perfect bite. Everything is on it. Look. This is crazy. I was at the top the whole time, and Danny comes along and hits the far, like apparently if you hit those poles in the end, you get points, and he literally just hit it on the second to the last one and got 75 points, and now is on the top. Oh, my heart hurt. Like Tiger Woods. Hello there. So I am in Washington, and this is my new home with my parents. I'm moving back in, but they just moved to Edmonds, and it is quite messy because they literally just moved in this week. So I want to introduce you to someone very special and dear to my heart. Herschel! Hey, Herschel! Hey, Herschel! He's being super lazy right now. He's been sitting on this couch. But anyway, the story is, I actually picked him up in Phoenix when he was a little pup. I found him on Craigslist. He was an accident, but my sister wanted a beagle really bad, and I found them and sent them the link, and they were like, go pick him up. So I did, and then my sister flew to Phoenix, and now he is a Pacific Northwest boy. How do you like it here? He's one of the most spoilest dogs ever. My mom just ordered a bunch of coffee. It's true, guys. People from Seattle are obsessed with coffee.
2 different kinds, and each one of them has 10 pods. So I don't really know how many cups this is, but as you can see, it's gonna keep coming out of the box.
I like donuts. Herschel also likes donuts. And Herschel like donuts, Herschel.
Well, it is my last night in my first apartment, and you know, I'm not as sad as some people would think, just because this apartment wasn't as luxurious as you'd think. I mean, it was a lot bigger than I needed, and there were really nice amenities, but I didn't really use them. It was just kind of like a place that I came to sleep. But my experience here at Arizona was amazing. I don't think I have been this happy for a couple years, actually, which is crazy. It's just, I don't know, it's just being here and experiencing new things, learning a lot of things about being an adult has been really enjoyable. Being on my own, I loved it. Here with Kai, and it's a mess in my apartment, but he's sleeping in the corner over there. I'm pretty sure I woke him up. But I met awesome people. I got to spend a lot of time with my family, and I'm incredibly thankful for the people that I've met, especially the people at the church I've been going to, City Point. If you're in the area of Arizona and Phoenix, City Point is an amazing church with amazing staff and people. And if they're watching this, I just want to say thank you to them. John, Amy, Joel, Christine, Craig and Rebecca, Mark and Hannah, and everyone else there. Thank you. I'm very glad that I got to meet you guys, and I'm especially thankful I got to serve with you guys. And to my family, my aunt and uncle, and my 2 cousins, I just had an awesome time and had great memories, and I'm really gonna miss everyone. But on to my next journey. I will never ever regret being here. The past 10 months have been so awesome. I can't even describe it. I loved it. Unfortunately, I have to go. Gotta go to college, which is probably a good thing. I'm really excited for it though. But stay tuned for my next vlogs. I'm uploading the first episode of the new video series that I have called The Feels. So just stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notifications so you know when I upload a video. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up. And thanks again, everyone. Thanks, Arizona. I will be back. I don't know when, but I will be back. So peace.